Look at this influencer.
After a long trip from Germany, we finally arrived from Berlin to Lisbon. Follow me in this new adventure in Portugal. Okay.
I'm showing the octopus.
Ah, the octopus. Hopefully it's this one. Very yellow, very sunny. Oh, with the sun it's a whole different thing. Ooh. Ooh. We surfed this morning and we're going on the skateboard tonight to dance skating. Look at this, Santa Cruz, it's just amazing. Okay, see. Nadia,
Ready.
almost ready.
Almost.
Very colorful, Nadia. Wow! How's it going, girls? Hello? Yeah, run. No, I changed the camera. Damn. Thank you. That was amazing. Oh, so cute. We are in beautiful Caparica. At the other side of the bridge. What the fuck is doing all that? They're not even scared of you. Here we come, guys. So we are at the fish auction. Actually, I saw it in Sicily. And that's how you buy fresh fish. So not frozen, not bullshit in the supermarket, just fresh fish directly from the sea. Look, babushka, Portuguese babushka, selling fish. If you come to Portugal in Caparica, you like to barbecue some fresh fish, you come here every evening, sunset time. I mean, it's not really sunset, but almost. They come, they put down loads and loads of fish, fresh, and you can buy it, you can cook it directly on your grill. Here we are in San Francisco at the Golden Bridge of the poor people. So, fun fact about this bridge is the same architect that built the Golden Bridge in San Francisco. So, you can check the similarities. It's basically the same. That's Lisbon. And we are at the Cristo Rey here, and it seems to be Rio de Janeiro, so we are in San Francisco, Rio de Janeiro at the same time. Damn. We decided it's worth a shot to go check out upstairs. Quanto?
8.
Regola. Go. We just found out from the girl in the elevator that this building is 110 meters tall. Doing this little stair here, very steep. We're almost there. Hello, bon dia. Boa tarde, bon dia. And we are at the top of the Cristo Rey. I'm trapped.
Stai facendo un video o no, Daia?
Nuovo tramonto, altra sfida. Siamo sempre qui. Fuck, I'm speaking Italian. New sunset, new challenge. We are here with this guy, Antonio Flores. We're playing frisbee with this beautiful sunset. Oh my god, this is insane. Let's see if it's good enough. Davai! Oh! Look at this, look. Fuck, c'è troppo vento. Watch the sunset. Cazzo! Good morning, guys. Sorry if I look like a fish. It's 7 a.m. Today is another day to go surfing. The weather is a bit shit though. Scary, but the waves are there. looks so ugly. So I'm gonna drink my coffee in this super ugly babushka cup. Drink my coffee, have a quick call, and I'm gonna be in water at 7 a.m. It's fucking cold. It's gonna be very hard to go out. There are waves breaking close to the shore, and with the camera, hopefully I'm not gonna lose it, even though I have like a little salvagente orange thing around it, so hopefully I'm not gonna lose it in the ocean, but I'll see you there. Let's go. This is the worst. This is the worst. Holy shit, no. Oh! This was probably one of the toughest surf sessions I ever had in my life. I started in Lisbon a few years ago when I was living here, so in Costa de Caparica. Then I really got into surfing Bali last winter, which, I mean, with warm water, without wetsuit is a whole different experience, so much better. You don't have to carry and wash this shit. I really hate it. Anyway, we are flying back to Italy. That's me. Look how weird it is in Portugal. They fuck, like, if you got stuck somehow here, there, you literally die. But the good thing about this elevator is it's faster, because you don't have to wait the doors to close, but it's also pretty dangerous. So next adventure, we're gonna be in Sardinia for one of our food retreats for digital nomads. So I'm gonna show you all around Sardinia with the boat, how beautiful is the water and everything. But I can wait to go in Puerto Escondido, Mexico this winter to go to surf there. So I'm very curious. So I did Bali, did Portugal, I'm missing Mexico, and let's get pro at surfing. Ciao guys.